So in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix another issue with SteamVR on Linux. This time it's about the volume control. So if you open the SteamVR dashboard, you can see the normal volume control, and you would think that you could actually control your volume with this one, but that is not possible on Linux because it's not implemented. So you can adjust the headset volume if you want, like you want to. Nothing's gonna happen. And you could also mute it or unmute it, mute your microphone or control the microphone volume. That's not going to change anything. So to fix that, there's another cool project called VRdio, so VR audio combined, I guess. And that will add this button here that says audio control here. So you will normally not have this button. But if you add this to your SteamVR, I will show you later on, then you will have this neat button right here. And if you click on that, you get this very nice and easy to use menu that actually lets you control your volume. So this will actually show you your current audio device. So in my case, it's the HDMI 3 audio because I don't know why it's called HDMI, but it's using the DisplayPort audio on my graphics card. And it should be something similar for your graphics card as well. And the cool thing is, normally your SteamVR won't change your graphics or your audio output automatically. So if you forget to change it on your desktop, you can also choose the default output right here. So the USB audio is my headphone. I can change it to the VR headset. And as you can hear, if I click on stuff, you get the click sound, and that's pretty cool. So that's how you can change the default output. And you can also change the profile, which is pretty cool because I also have my speakers hooked up to my graphics card or to my monitor, and therefore it's over HDMI. So I can actually switch between HDMI, which is my regular speakers, and HDMI 3, which is the VR headset. So that's everything you can do inside of the audio control panel, and you can also change the device and the microphones and everything. So it's a pretty fully featured audio switching and audio control interface, and that is needed in SteamVR because not being able to change the volume here is really annoying, especially because you don't have the desktop view. So the desktop view is not working on Wayland. So you can't even change it there. So before that, I had to change the volume on my actual desktop. So I needed to take the headset off and change the volume on my actual monitor. So that was pretty annoying. And now I can actually do it inside of virtual reality. So that is pretty awesome. So now I will show you how you can set it up. It's really easy, and there's not much you need to do. Alright, here we are on the VRdio GitHub page. I will leave a link for you down in the description below so you can check it out yourself. At first you need to make sure that you have all the necessary dependencies installed. So you obviously need SteamVR, and you need a Pulse Audio or another Pulse Audio stand-in like Pipewire Pulse, which is what I'm using. And you are most likely going to have it already installed because not many people are using Linux without Pulse Audio or Pipewire. But if you do, you most likely already know. So you need Pulse Audio and libpulse installed. You also need the Vulkan ICD loader, so either this package on Ubuntu or on Arch, you have this package right here. And you also need STL, so either that or this one, depending on your distribution. And this package here as well. And you also need Qt 5 and Qt 6 installed on your system. So if you're using KDE or another Qt-based desktop, you most likely already have it installed. And if not, you can have a look right here and see if you can find out what the package is called on your distribution. Alright, so that's it for the dependencies you need. Now, how do you actually get the program installed? That's pretty simple. You just need to go over to the Releases tab over here. and then you need to download the first one, so the tar.gz file. You just click on that. It will download pretty fast because it's a really small file. Then you open it up, and you have this main folder here, and you should extract this folder wherever you want to have it. So I've made a dedicated folder inside my home directory where I store all those files. And let me open that right here. And here's VRdio release 1.0. So you go into that, and then you can just either click on this script and execute it, or what I like to do is open up a terminal and then launch it from here. So with the / and the name of the script, you can just launch it, and then you will have an output if something goes wrong or not. But before you execute it, you also need to make sure that you have SteamVR open. So I'm not going to show that in this video, but just open up SteamVR, start SteamVR, and then you execute the script. And it will say installed successfully or something like that, and then you will see this button inside of your SteamVR, which I have showed you in the intro before. So that's actually all you need to know. And yeah, that's it.